Today we're diving into the thrills of Universal's Volcano Bay water park. After soaking up the sun, we'll be heading to Longhorns for a delicious dinner. Are you ready for another action-packed day? Yes, it is Monday, the 12th of August, and our blockout dates are finally gone for Volcano Bay. So we're going to go and grab a quick breakfast at the Bayliner Diner and then use the guest entrance into Volcano Bay, which is behind me here. Certainly the biggest benefit of staying at this resort.
The biggest benefit.
Yes. So I'm guessing Jacob is going to go for pancakes and sausage for breakfast again.
I'm going for bagel waffles with maple syrup with strawberry.
And you're doing what?
I'm having a waffle.
You're having a waffle today again, are
Waffle.
you? A waffle?
Yeah.
You're practicing your American.
No, I didn't know what it's called.
You did that brilliantly then. Although he was practicing Spanish yesterday and he was doing very, very well. We're going to keep practicing it and he'll do you the big reveal of his Spanish in a few days' time once he's a bit more practiced. And we are now done with breakfast and we are making our way to the hotel guest entrance into Volcano Bay. It's just ahead of me. It is just around the back of one of the opposite tower to us, which is Building 7 on their map. Let's just take you along it so you can see what I mean. So it is at the back of the tower here.
And the pool's not open, so we can't.
So you have these little things called the tapu tapu. When you want to tap into a ride, you have to go to the little things by the ride. Now Krakatoa is the one that always goes first. So if you want to ride the Krakatoa coaster, as soon as you get in, go and tap in. We've currently got a 25-minute wait. We're going to go on the round raft rides next. Apparently going on the more intense one. So that's the one we've just been on. Hoo-hee! And now our return time for Krakatoa is up, so we're going to make our way back to the coaster. How do you rate the slides you've been on so far?
5 out of 5. 5 out of 5.
Right, for both of them. And you're going 10 out of 10 for both of the slides. Rides you've been on?
5 out of 5.
This one is my favourite. Out of all the water parks, this one is my favourite. And I said we need to tap in straight away again. So we do it again.
I nearly fell out of my seat. I got chucked when the last truck and I went, what? Look at it, it was actual roller coaster.
Okay. How did you like that one?
That is a 11 out of 10.
That is,
Especially that last drop.
sorry, it is 100 out of 10 that one.
100 out of 10. Okay.
100 out of 10
Mommy's
that
going for
one.
it.
Best
100 out of 10.
water coaster ever.
Fine. It's fine.
Time for the wave pool. So we've just stopped for a little drink at the Dancing Dragon. It is important to keep hydrated, so they do have big cups of ice water that you can just go over for free and get some cups of water. So make sure you do that because it is very, very hot. There is a heat advisory out again today, so definitely make sure you keep hydrated. Then Mark has got a couple of libations from the bar, which he's bringing over. Each cocktail is $17.50 and it comes in a souvenir glass. They are also doing Finley like a strawberry slushy mocktail thing, so that he can have a little something nice too. These are our little drinkies. Marky had the Volcano Bay punch.
Yes.
And then I had the toasted coconut and pineapple. They also come in these souvenir glasses which you get to keep. So we've just been on the Fearless River and we are now going to the Feasting Frog because the boys want nachos. So these are the grilled chicken tacos and the loaded nachos with chili. Marky, how much did that come to? $31. Some nachos with chili and some chicken tacos. Here we go. It's an acceptable taco, but it's not salt shack on the lake. But again, I'm not comparing apples with apples, and I'm still dreaming about the tacos from Salt Shack on the Lake. Good, Jacob. Finley, okay? Marky, acceptable taco. So here is the kiddie area. Runnamooka Reef, and Finley is going to play. So we are done for the day at Volcano Bay. We're going to head back to our room and go and get showered and changed. Clouds are starting to roll in, as you can see above me. So probably not a bad time to leave, to be fair.
And so it's supposed to rain around now.
Oh, about now. So it looks like we're getting out at the right time. Showered and changed after our fun day in Volcano Bay. It looks like we left exactly the right time because literally within 5 or 10 minutes it started raining, and then they closed everything. They closed all the slides, they got everybody out the wave pool, and it was like that for probably a good hour, maybe even slightly more. And it's only really now we've noticed that they're just going back up and running again. So anyways, we are now, as I said, freshly clean, looking spiffingly good, and going to go and get some dinner. We're going to go and have an early dinner. We're going to go to Longhorns for some steak, which is a winner for everybody. We're going to go a bit early, like I say, so it's like 25 to 5 now. So the thought process being we're going to get there for about 5 o'clock. And by doing that, it means we're not going to wait for a table. Now we've been before later on, sort of like time you get to like the 6:30 time frame, and there's generally a queue of people, and they'll give you a buzzer and tell you that you need, you know, you've got a 20-minute wait, you've got a half-hour wait, sometimes maybe even an hour wait, and that's pretty typical of those restaurant type establishments that you go to. So Bahama Breeze, Longhorns, Miller's, all of those. If you sort of start getting there for that sort of between 6 and half 7-ish time frame for dinner, you're probably going to wait for a table.
There's no problem with that.
Yeah, no, you will wait for a table. So we kind of tend to go that bit earlier, like this, 5, half 5, and get our table straight away. So we did have a little wait. It wasn't long, it was about 10 minutes. But we're now sat down and we're going through the menu, which looks pretty good. So this is their drinks menu, followed by shareable starters and signature soups, followed by legendary steaks combos. Oh yeah. I do have some chicken options if steak's not your thing, and then you've got the sides. I do some salads and dessert. Now, I do have a picture here of the strawberry shortcake, which I always think looks gorgeous, but we never ever get dessert here. They're also offering mobile pay here now as well, so you can just, once you're finished, scan the thing and pay your bill. Then is the kids menu, and it's good because I do have a decent cut of steak on here as well if you've got kids that like steak. Love steak, and the one thing though they can't stand is it being fatty, and we really struggle with getting them a rump because a lot of the time it can be quite fatty, and that's what they tend to put on kids menus. But in here you've got sirloin, so you know you're getting a pretty decent cut for them, so they're not going to be complaining it's too chewy. So when you order steaks, they come with one side and a salad, unless you tell them you don't want the salad, and then you can have 2 sides. So we've both gone with a salad. So this is the salad. I've had mine with no dressing. Marky is already devouring his with dressing. He had a ranch dressing on that one. Dinner is here, and oh my gosh, we have been looking forward to this. So here is my fillet, 6 ounce with jacket potato. I've had mine unloaded with nothing on it because I'm going to eat it with my salad. Marky went 9 ounce. Yeah, 9 ounce. He had his with a loaded jacket potato.
Probably maybe a little bit too cooked, but
yeah,
it's still nice.
Finley's got sirloin, kids meal, sirloin with fries. Jacob has got the adult sirloin, 6 ounce, with 2 sides and no salad, and so he's got fries and rice. Made it this far through our videos, I'd just like to say thank you very much from all of us for watching our vlog. Really appreciate you watching our videos and following our channel. If you don't currently follow our channel, please do subscribe, and you'll be able to see all of our new and upcoming videos here in Florida from this August trip. Please do like our videos and just drop a few comments down. And thank you again from all of us for watching An Awfully Big Adventure. Bye for now.